How to invest in real estate. When investing in real estate, the goal is to put your money to work today so you have more money in the future. The profit or return you make on your investments must be enough to cover your risk you take and the taxes you pay. There are other costs of owning real estate, such as utilities, maintenance, and insurance. Real estate investing can really be quite simple once you understand the basic factors of the investment, economics, and risks. You buy properties, avoid going bankrupt, and earn money through rent. Also, that you can buy even more properties. But keep in mind that simple doesn't mean easy. If you make a mistake, the consequences can range from minor inconveniences to major disasters. When you invest in real estate, there are four main ways you can make money. Real estate appreciation. This is what happens when a property rises in value due to a change in the real estate market. For instance, the land around your property could become scarcer or busier. For example, if a major shopping center were to build nearby, or perhaps you made upgrades to the property that make it more attractive to buyers. Real estate appreciation is a tricky game because it's not easy to predict. It's riskier than investing for cash flow income. The next is cash flow income. This type focuses on buying a real estate property, such as an apartment building, and operating it. You then collect a stream of cash from tenant rent. Cash flow income can also come from other types of real estate besides apartment buildings, such as storage units, office or rental buildings, and rental houses. Real estate related income. This income is common for specialists in the real estate industry, such as brokers. They make money from commissions on properties they have helped a client buy or sell. Real estate management companies sometimes get to keep a portion of rents in exchange for running the day to day operations. Ancillary real estate investment income. For some, this can be a huge source of profit. Ancillary real estate investment income includes things such as vending machines in office buildings or laundry rooms in rental apartments. In effect, this involves many businesses with a bigger real estate investment. They let you make more money from a semi captive collection of customers. There are certain tips that you need to follow for your first property investment. If you are purchasing a property, you can use debt by taking a mortgage out against a property. The use of leverage is what attracts many real estate investors. It then lets them acquire properties they otherwise could not afford. To manage the risk and protect yourself, consider holding real estate investment through special types of legal entities rather than in your own name. These includes limited liability companies or limited partnerships. You should consult with a lawyer to decide which method is best for you. If the investment goes bust or someone slips and falls, resulting in a lawsuit, these legal entities can protect your personal assets. That means the worst that could happen is that you would lose the money you have invested. You will have peace of mind knowing that your retirement accounts and other assets should be out of reach. Now, what are the pros and cons of real estate investing? Pros: less risk and volatility than the stock market, can be a good source of cash flow, lots of tax deductions, properties give good long term return. Now, what are the cons? Not as much potential for aggressive return, can require a lot of cash, poor liquidity, dealing with tenants and building issues can be difficult. you know uh, the pros of real estate investing: it lowers risk than the stock market. The housing market isn't subject to as much of the same volatility as the stock market. You don't have the same earning potential, but you can count on a steady incline most of the time. This is steady cash flow. When you have enough rental properties going, you can count on a stable revenue stream for your business. Good tax break: you can deduct all these sorts of expenses from your taxes. These include mortgage interest, depreciation, property tax, and more. Long term returns will often be positive. Over time, most properties will increase in value. Now, what are the cons of real estate investing? Potential returns aren't as high as the stock market. From 1991 to 2019, the S&P 500 gained over 600%. Housing prices increased by only about 160%. Real estate investment can be cash heavy. If you really want to get a steady income stream going, then you need enough cash on hand. Whether it's your own money or it's loan to you, you will need to be able to pay for building improvements, maintenance, and more. Properties are not liquid investments. You can't turn a property into cash quickly like you can when you sell a stock. Managing tenants and building maintenance can be a challenge. Whether you hire a property manager or manage it yourself, running a property can be full of unexpected problems. These can include overdue rent, roof leaks, outages, and more. So that's all. Thank you so much.